Alright, off to my sister's to upload my vlog, I gotta to upload. I've never told anyone this, whatever the hell it's called. And then we are hitting the road and heading to Marquette, Michigan for New Year's Eve. I'm excited to see what happens. Oh, it's gonna get wild, ladies and gentlemen. Brace yourself. I say ladies and gentlemen too much and baby too much. Alright, we're starting the trip off good, folks. Get in the shot, Aaron. Here she goes. Oh, I hope she eats shit. Let's keep in mind she's going in there to get her booze that she forgot. There you go. I believe in you. Mission accomplished. Cindy, how is this road trip gonna be?
Amazing.
Can't you tell by the enthusiastic sound of that voice? Whoa! I'm gonna need you to film this whole experience, though. And the sex later, too. Alright, Aaron. Tell the folks what you had to venture back for.
This is a necessity for this evening.
She's what you call an alcoholic. She has a serious problem. Alright, you thought you were gonna see some fun road trip stuff, right? Nope, just forgot to bring the camera. Well, more like I was too inebriated to have a camera on me, and it would have been, I wouldn't have wanted anyone to see anything anyway. My bad. So, moving on from that segment. It's, what day? It's Wednesday today. It's like 11-ish. I just showered, and, I sneezed while I was in the shower, and it feels like a train just ran into my lower back. It took me like 2 minutes to get socks on, and I had to do it really awkwardly and bend my leg. I couldn't even like bend down. It hurts so bad. I'm gonna be recording today. Here's the mic. I'm recording Truthfully by Dance, D-N-C-E, Dance. I'm gonna get recording now, and it's probably gonna take me all day to record and then to shoot the video also. Boom! So I just finished the recording of this song that Truthfully by Dance. It's 2 o'clock exactly about. I'm gonna eat because I am famished. Then I'm gonna piece together the recording and work on the video for that, put that up. But right now it is food time. One of my favorite times. Alright, let's see what's in the fridge. Empty. Peanut butter bread it is. I can't tell you how many, like per day of just peanut butter sandwiches I eat. It's an excessive amount. I'm concerned I have a problem. Son of a bitch, we're out of bananas! Bananas are my favorite thing to go with peanut butter. Peanut butter banana sandwiches I can eat all day long. This is hard filming and undoing the zip. First, let me say, these are not necessary. Once they're on there, take it off, throw it away. Afterwards, you grab the bag, you spin it, and then you just put the thing you're holding on to underneath the bread and set it down. It's just as good, but without the hassle of a twisty tie thing. Alright. Go down. Son of a... Oh. This always helps. Hi, buddy. Here's Tucker in his natural habitat. It's where he thrives the most. Think of all the beagles you've had in this bed, huh, Tuck? Oh, and the greyhounds. Let's not forget that one Dalmatian. Here's a little me. This is like my birthday, and I'm wearing Godzilla pajamas, and I got a tackle box and fishing pole, and then I got that sweet motorcycle thing. I feel like I should have more. What the heck, Mom? Thanks a lot, Dad. My toast is gonna pop any moment, and I must be ready. Because if you're not ready, when it pops, it gets cold instantly. Have you ever seen anything as glorious? I mean, come on, look at this. Watch how cool I can make this look. Have you ever seen something so good? Well, that was quick. It's a sad moment when food's gone, let me tell you. All right. Need this ice pack because I'm about 100 years old. Now it is time to edit. Yes, the ice pack is on my lower back. This is gonna take me probably like 4 hours to piece together. I don't know. Who knows? So I'll probably get done around 6, hopefully. All right, time to edit. Leave me alone. I need some privacy. All right, so it's like 7-ish, I think. I finished the recording for the music thing. And now I'm gonna go up and just watch a movie because I can't function. I'm essentially a very large child at this point who needs help for feeding, going to the bathroom. Alright, I'm going to watch this movie. Calm down, ladies. I know I look good right now. This is what I look like when I wake up. Alright, so it's Saturday. This vlog has been going on for a period of like 4 days. On like 4 different continents, 36 states. It's been too much and the vlog needs to end. But I will say that I recorded all day yesterday, Friday. Ed Sheeran's new single, which he just released, called Castle on the Hill. He released a song at like 11:30 on Wednesday, and I was like, if I get a song up Thursday, quickly, I was just like, there's gonna be a ton of people searching for Ed Sheeran Castle on the Hill covers, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. So I got it up, and then but then I just looked, and there's just hundreds of covers of it already. There's even a video of it that's just best covers of Castle on the Hill. The song's been out for 12 hours. How is this happening? Internet, quit this. This vlog, like I said, it needs to end. Nothing too exciting happened. So if you made it this far, you must enjoy it for some reason. I follow this comedian guy on YouTube, Joe Santagato. He's hilarious. You should go check him out. He's so funny. He does this at the end of his vlog. So I'm gonna steal his idea and not take credit for it. Credits to you, Joe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.